Recording. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is time to work on the BMW budget track car build. The belts in this thing are cracked, about ready to snap. So I went ahead and ordered some more. They're in. There's a link down in the description of where you can buy belts for your E36. So let's go ahead and take everything out we need to take out, replace these belts, and go rip this thing. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 1995 BMW 325i. I paid $400 for this thing. It didn't run when I bought it. Got it running. Runs good now. It was the fuel pump, fuel filter, and idle control valve needed cleaning. So this thing is the Ep.6. It's my budget track car build. I'll slowly be building this thing to make it a little fun track car. I can take it to my local track day. On a budget, I'm in this thing total of like $1,100-1,200 right now. The belts we'll be working on are down underneath this radiator hose, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the radiator hose. I think we're also gonna take off the fan, maybe even pull out the radiator and go from there. Oh.
You're gonna need to get more coolant. This thing.
I would probably just pour it out.
There it goes.
I'm impressed how much went in there, but also I don't know how much didn't go in there. So we got the upper and lower radiator hose off and the overflow bottle out. Yanking the radiator out without trying to make a super big mess. There's a bunch of coolant.
There's
in
a
there
plug.
Oh yeah, we got. I think that's a screwy. No, it's a pulley. It's one of these. One of these. I guess.
Yeah.
So you actually didn't have to undo the fan. Jordan's gonna explain to you what he did.
There's a tensioner down at the bottom that you can just use an 8mm hex socket, and you can tighten it, and it releases the tension off of the AC compressor, which means you could just take the belt straight off.
So we have the belt. You can see all the cracks in it, so this thing's trash. To undo the serpentine, the accessory belt here that's on the alternator, the tensioner is right next to the alternator, but there's a little cap on it that you need to get a little flathead screwdriver and pop off, and then you'll have access to the tensioner. You clearly can't see it, but it's right next to the alternator. Undo that, and you should be good to yank this thing off. Okay, so we figured it out in here. This tensioner for the serpentine accessory alternator belt, what we have to do is get a, Jordan, what size is that?
16.
16. Put it on the tensioner right next to the alternator. Pull, twist it. Is it tighten it or loosen it?
It's tighten it.
You have to tighten it, and it pulls the tension off the belt, and then you can sauce the belt right off all of the wheels. So we're currently putting the serpentine belt on, using a little diagram here. I'll put a link down in the description of where you can have this same picture for both. And it covers both the AC and both the AC belt and the serpentine belt. So check that out if you're doing this same job. Just finished putting the belts back in. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw the radiator, put the hoses back in, put the shroud in that has been sitting out for a while. And we're gonna give it a test drive. So when I first bought this car, the coolant looked like this. So is that just old coolant that's never been changed in like 17 years? Or is that a blown head gasket? I'm not exactly sure. It's not really like oily. It feels just like coolant, but it's just brown like that. So I don't know if that's just corrosion, and like in the radiator here, there's like corrosion inside of the tubes, inside the just inside the reservoirs, and also inside going into the water inlet here. There's also, looks the same, it's real brown, kind of looks like, yeah, this stuff. So let me know what you guys think this is in the comments below, because I'm not exactly 100% sure. Look at that pour. Alright guys, it's currently a few days later. I forgot to end the video last time we did the belt change, which was a couple days. Let me know which cars you want to see more videos made of down in the comments below. I'm planning to make a lot more videos. YouTube just announced that they're going to demonetize small channels. Me being a small channel, I am on the list of getting demonetized, which is not a huge deal, but it'd be great if I got off that list so I can go ahead and just keep plowing forward in this channel. So let me know what cars you want to see more videos of down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It'll help me out so much. Have a good one, guys.